With my course I can choose units that I want to be doing, so I don't have to specifically be studying the plant side of agriculture. I can choose to go further into the animal side, and at the moment that's what I'm doing because I'm finding that I'm enjoying that. We get to do a lot of hands-on stuff, and I think that's really important with agriculture because it is very hands-on. You know, just through doing uni, I now know there's so many more paths in agriculture than what I thought there was. So I think, you know, it's opened me up to that I can go into these areas after uni. And most units we do definitely cover an environmental and sustainable side of it, and it's always, you know, you always got to relate it back to that. The world's population is getting bigger and we need to feed everyone. You know, there's always going to be jobs in ag and people should go for it. Learn how to do it better and more sustainable and environmentally friendly. I think it's a really exciting thing to be a part of.